today I'm coming to you with some regular old dinner, y'all. I got me some turkey, meatloaf, some green beans with a little bacon bits and some taters. Some mashed potatoes, let me quit playing. And I got a pineapple strawberry with some crushed ice. Y'all, it's so good. Lord, let me pray. Lord, I thank you for this food I'm about to receive. Your son, Jesus Christ, the Lord. Amen. Oh, I hope they ain't messing nothing up on the color, but y'all, it's gonna be what it's gonna be, y'all. So, I do not like gravy on my potatoes, mashed potatoes. Here go, y'all, some and a little turkey. Mm. What do y'all put on y'all meatloaf? Some people put gravy. Oh, yeah. I'm not gonna see. Y'all, I'm finna eat a little bit right quick. Because I'm hungry. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Name some stuff y'all put in y'all meatloaf if y'all make it. I flipped it over because it was looking rough. I put it in the toaster oven to heat it up. It might not look so appealing, but baby, the toy food be the good food. Just like you get a big old greasy burger. And that bag be, you know that bag be greasy. You already know that's gonna be some good stuff. No. Yeah, I hope it don't mess it up. But I'm finna show y'all these. Mm. Oh, excuse me. Mashed potato. I was gonna put some cheese in it. And my mashed potato. Ooh. Mm-mm-mm. There was something on there, y'all. Yeah, this my little go-to plate. Come back here. When it's good, it ain't gonna take long. I hope y'all, y'all can see. And it's gonna be messed up. There you go. Oh, Lord, now I'm full now. But y'all, we got some hard-headed folks, don't we? I'm buying some potatoes. Did I say I put ketchup on my meatloaf? Did I even give y'all some? I'm sorry, y'all. But this was good. I let that thing marinate. Now this plate I done tore up. I like to put my food together. I be liking it. I don't know why I always been like that. Down to the last. Nah, I got some more. But I'm gonna tell y'all, it's a mess. These folks better stop being hard here. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, it won't want to take long for this. That crushed ice be some good ice. Ooh. Good old pure pineapple juice with strawberry, with a hint of strawberry juice. Excuse me. Baby, I'm gonna have to do some, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. You don't